Queensland's new disclosure laws go live tomorrow. Don't panic, we've got your back. It's here. After years of talk and months of preparation, and you guys probably watching lots of videos of me talking about this, Queensland's new seller disclosure laws officially take effect tomorrow, 1st of August 2025. If you're a seller, agent, or anyone involved in property sales across Queensland, this is your last minute heads up as to what's changing and what you need to do before your next contract goes out. And yes, Empire Legal is on standby, ready to help. What's changing? From tomorrow, 1st of August, most residential property sellers in Queensland will be legally required to provide a Form 2 seller's disclosure statement before the buyer signs a contract. This is no small change. It flips the traditional buyer beware model on its head and introduces a distinct disclosure regime designed to increase transparency and reduce post-contract disputes. Maybe you attended our in-person seminar on the topic in late June. Maybe you didn't. If you didn't, that's okay. I'm going to tell you the main parts you need to know to hit the ground running for tomorrow. What must be disclosed? The new Form 2 must include a completed disclosure statement, all the prescribed forms, a current title search, a registered survey plan, body corporate documents, if applicable, which is the CMS and the body corporate certificate, any leases, easements or notices affecting the property, pool safety and more. Of course, each situation is unique and property specific. In other words, it's no longer enough to wing it with a quick title search and a few pages of guesswork. YOLO is completely out of the equation now. This is a mandatory regulated process and the buyer can terminate the contract all the way up until settlement if you get it wrong. What happens if you don't disclose properly? Let's be blunt. If you use the wrong form, if you forget a required document, if you attach outdated or incomplete searches, if you fill the form out wrong, or if you fail to serve it before the buyer signs the contract, the buyer can terminate the contract at any time prior to settlement, even if you've gone unconditional, even if you've already bought elsewhere, and even if you've packed up your boxes to move. This is a deal killer. It's a risk, and we're here to make sure you avoid it. What sellers and agents need to do now? If you're listing a property for sale, about to issue a contract, preparing a Form 6, or managing a contract that hasn't yet been signed, stop. Don't issue the contract until the Form 2 is complete and correct with all the prescribed forms. We recommend sellers engage a property lawyer immediately to prepare the disclosure pack. Agents, refer your seller to a firm who understands the new laws and can move fast. And everyone else, don't try DIY this, the risks are too high. Would you sell your own house? Certainly hope not. Would you do your own conveyancing? Please don't. But in all seriousness, guys, this does have to be done properly. Agents that have a process, it is an option that the agent can help a seller prepare this. Sellers, you obviously can prepare it yourself, but if you're not up to date with all these laws, I wouldn't even touch it. Empire's ready. We're here. We've spent months preparing for this. We're ready to roll out hundreds of compliant Form 2 disclosure packs across Queensland from tomorrow with fixed fees, fast turnaround, and no-nonsense service. We know exactly what's required. We've trained our staff, we've streamlined our systems, and we're on standby to help sellers meet their obligations starting tomorrow. If your seller needs a disclosure statement prepared urgently, or you're an agent who needs help educating your clients, we're here to jump in, take the wheel, and sort it out for you. Need a Form 2 prepared fast and done right? Call Empire Legal. We'll get it sorted fast, all for a fixed fee. All information, including pricing, turnaround times, and how to get started is transparently available on our website. You can just go straight there and get the ball rolling. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? We're here to help. Agents, focus on what you do best, selling and marketing your properties. Leave the legal paperwork and disclosure compliance to us. By the way, we've done a stack of content on this topic. Check out the blogs on our website. There's also going to be links in this blog to some content we've done on the Form 2 seller's disclosure already. That's it, guys. Tomorrow's a big day, huge change for our industry. Looking forward to it. Let's hit the ground running. Let's do this together. Empire Legal is here to help you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you're watching this and you maybe have an agent mate or a seller who doesn't know the score, share this with them so they're ready to roll for tomorrow. Thanks, guys. We'll chat soon. Ladies and gentlemen, please keep in mind that all advice is general in nature and does not constitute legal advice. This is authorised by George Souris, Empire Legal, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia.